In this video, we will show you how to create stopwatch or timer using visualbasic.net. First, you need to open the Visual Studio. In here, I'm using Visual Studio 2019. Then, create new project here. Select language Visual Basic, platform Windows, and project type in here, we select desktop. Now, there is Windows Phone application here. We can click next. For example, in here, we will create the name is timer or stopwatch. Okay, just timer and click create. You can also select framework. It's based on your Visual Studio installation. Just click create. After that, we need to add the item. We need just two label. Okay, we can copy this. We have two label here, and we need also two button, and we need the timer. Okay. The most important thing, timer in here, is based on millisecond. You can see here. But the Windows or Visual Studio does not accurate. So we just using interval 25 millisecond. Okay, this is accurate for seconds later. In here, we change the name of button or change the text to start. And we change the text, the second button is stop. Okay, now we need to change the properties of font using bold, 12 in here, using bold also, 12. Okay, like this. And the label one, we need to make this bigger, so we can select 16 for example. Okay, or if still small, you can just make 18. Okay, this is the second label is just for describe hour, minutes, second, and millisecond. Okay. Okay, this is just description for the timer. Okay, this is label 1. This is the information what actually in here. After that, we need just to click the start button with double click. After you double click the start button, in here, we need just timer 1 dot start. Okay, and then we declare Jim M stopwatch. Okay, M stopwatch as new stopwatch. Okay, Jim M stopwatch as new stopwatch. Okay, this is the declaration. Now, back to our design. Just double click on timer. Don't forget to make the interval 25 in here. Double click on timer. After that, we need just to declare dim ellipse as time span equal to me dot m stopwatch dot ellipse. Okay, label 1 label 1 dot text equal to string dot format. Okay, string in here, string dot format again with brackets like this, and this is the string format. Okay, This is for hour, and this is for minutes, and this is for seconds. Okay, and the last. Okay, this is not the same. See this. This is dot, and this is not. Okay, so this is millisecond. Okay, after that we need just enter like this, so it will clear on the video, not until the right. Ellipse dot total hour, ellipse dot total minutes, ellipse dot second, ellipse dot millisecond, milliseconds, like this. Okay, because the brackets in here, the end bracket is not here, so the end bracket should be here. And then on the button 2, double click on button 2 and timer 1 dot stop. Okay, we can just run our project here. Oh, this is the error. Input string was not in a correct format. Okay, the string is not in correct format. In here, we must very careful. You can see this is not dot, because this is second and this is dot. Okay, this is same with the others, and this is also not dot. Dot is in here. Okay, you can see. Now we can stop this and try to run our project again. Click start. Oh, this is wrong. Okay, let's fix it. We not yet starting the M stopwatch. So in here, M stopwatch dot start. Okay, we can start again. And this is the very simple stopwatch. To make sure this is with this is a center, you can just adjust the design, for example, like this. So we can easily later make center all of others. Okay, like this. And then let's try start, stop, start, stop. And the next question, when we click stop button, and usually the stopwatch application, when click start, it's back to 000. Okay, now how to do that? Okay, if you can see, this is not back to 0 but continue counting here. If you want to like that, you can just click on the start. Okay, just ms stopwatch dot restart or reset, then run, click start again, and when you click stop and when you click reset, you can see there is back to 0 value. Okay, and that's all tutorial how we can create stopwatch or timer in visual basic.net. Okay, hope this video helpful for you.